In this video, I'll guide you through how to add contacts in Constant Contact. Whether you're new to Constant Contact or just need a refresher, this step-by-step process will help you populate your contact list efficiently, ensuring you can connect with your audience seamlessly. Let's get started by navigating to constantcontact.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign in with your account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to do that first. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. Next, look towards the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Contacts tab. This section is where you'll manage all your contact information, view lists, and see your current subscribers. It's designed to give you a clear overview of who you're reaching out to and how you can organize them effectively. Once you're in the Contacts section, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Add Contacts. This is your gateway to adding new contacts into your database. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options for adding contacts. You have the flexibility to choose how you want to add new people to your list. If you're just updating your list with a few individuals, select Add Single Contact. This option allows you to manually enter details like name, email address, and phone number, and any additional notes you want to keep. It's perfect for when you have just a few new contacts to add and want to ensure all their information is correct. Alternatively, if you have several contacts to add at once and prefer to save time, you can choose the Add Multiple Contacts option. This method allows you to copy and paste multiple email addresses directly into the platform. It's a streamlined way to bulk add contacts without having to enter each one individually. For those who have a pre-existing list of contacts saved in a file, Constant Contact offers the Upload from a File option. This is incredibly useful if you have an organized spreadsheet or CSV file of your contacts ready to go. Simply select this option, upload your file, and Constant Contact will guide you through mapping the fields from your file to the appropriate fields in your contact list. Each of these methods ensures that you can tailor your approach to how you manage your contacts, allowing you to be as detailed or as efficient as necessary. Once your contacts are added, they will appear in your contact list, ready to receive your newsletters, updates, and campaigns. Remember, keeping your contact list up to date is crucial for effective communication with your audience. Regularly reviewing and adding new contacts can significantly enhance your email marketing efforts, ensuring you're reaching the right people with the right message. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to add contacts in Constant Contact. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your contact lists. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your email marketing strategies.